Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to change your what they call ink cartridges, not ink cartridges, toner cartridges in HP LaserJet Pro 2000 Color MFP M276nw. Okay, it's called LaserJet Pro 200 Color MFP M276nw. This is an HP machine, very good machine. I met one of the clients said one day that, you know what, I've been in this machine with 20 years. Imagine 20 years. This machine has what they call Wi-Fi or whatever connection. It can connect to the Wi-Fi. Also, it can use, I think, the cable. You see that cable? Let me not think. We can show you. So to check that, you can go to the back. Yeah, there's a USB and also there's a USB port and also there's a cable to connect to that to the internet. Well, that's fine. So now what's gonna happen, we're gonna show you how to change the ink cartridge in this. So what you're gonna do, you go here, you go here, up here, you open this guy. Once you've opened that guy, so what you do, you press this. It's like pull out this guy. So it has 4 colors. We start with the yellow, magenta, cyan, and black. Black, cyan, magenta, yellow. So what you do, you just hold here. You can see it does like this. You hold here, you take out this guy, right? Put it somewhere else, somewhere. Okay. Make sure you don't scratch it. You go get this guy, put him somewhere else. Go put on this guy, magenta. Put him somewhere else safe. Then you take out the yellow cartridge. Remember this guy, this slides, this tray slides. So now when we get our new toners, you can see these are the places you can start with the black one, because if it's gonna give you issues and you don't remember where they're coming from, you look at the little labels here. This is a black, which K means black. Then you can see a C means cyan. Then M means magenta, and Y means yellow. So it doesn't matter now which sequence you use, but make sure you put them in based on the colors. So they have to face that side. Make sure the chip is on your left hand side. You get me? This is the chip. So I'm gonna follow with I just wanna follow the stuff, but it doesn't matter, really matter. So we get with the going in with the magenta, right? That is cyan, right? And then we get yellow at the last. It doesn't matter. Okay, but you have to pull this guy to come nicely. Okay, put them nicely. Then we do take a magenta at the last, which has to face this side. Okay, once you're done, your machines, everything is fine. There's nothing you need to do else. Then you push it in. It will click like it. Then you close. Done. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna do more and more on machines. You can see there's a lot of machines we're gonna work on. We're gonna do video by video. Maybe yours is not here, but by the end of the day, we fix machines. We work with machines. If you have any issue or problem, please talk to us. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.